You just got the email, application denied. It's that familiar, sinking feeling. You're paying your bills, but your score is stuck in the 500s or low 600s, costing you an extra $200 a month in interest on your car loan or credit card debt. You feel like you're playing a rigged game, but you aren't. You're just missing the algorithm's secret language. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to hike your score by 100 points in just 6 months. Let's be real, your credit score is the gatekeeper of your adult life. If it's under 670, you're paying a poverty tax. That's the thousands of dollars in higher interest rates you shell out simply because the bank doesn't trust your history. Most people stay stuck because they try to pay off debt randomly or close old accounts, which actually hurts them. You've been told to just pay on time, but that's only the baseline. You aren't playing to survive, you are playing to manipulate the 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They don't care about your hard work, they care about data points. If you don't feed the algorithm the right data, it will keep your score in the basement indefinitely. Let's start feeding it what it wants. Step 1, the cleanup. You cannot build a skyscraper on a swamp. Start by grabbing your credit report from annualcreditreport.com, this is the only federally authorized source. Don't pay for these, they are free by law. Look for mistakes. Did a medical bill you already paid show up as late? Is there an address listed you've never lived at? Dispute these errors immediately using the online portals for the 3 bureaus. Even 1 or 2 inaccuracies can drag your score down by 50 points alone. Once those are gone, identify your ghost debts, those tiny accounts you forgot about that have gone to collections. Negotiate a pay-for-delete agreement in writing. If they agree to remove the negative mark in exchange for payment, you've just cleared the path for your score to climb. Step 2, master your utilization. This is the fastest way to gain points. Your credit utilization, the percentage of your total limit you are currently using, should ideally be under 10%. If your total limit is $2,000 and you owe $1,500, your score is screaming risk. Even if you pay it off every month, the statement balance is what gets reported. Call your lenders and ask for a limit increase. They'll likely do a soft pull, which doesn't hurt your score. Now, your $1,500 balance against a new $4,000 limit brings your utilization down to 37% instantly. Better yet, if you can, pay your balance down to 5% before your statement closing date. That small change alone can trigger a 20 to 30 point jump in your score within a single billing cycle. Step 3, diversify the credit mix. The algorithm loves a healthy diet of credit types. It wants to see that you can handle a revolving line, like a credit card, and an installment loan. If you don't have an installment loan, you can use credit building tools to report your utility payments or rent payments as credit history. These platforms take your regular bills and turn them into trade lines that report to the bureaus. Suddenly, the money you are already spending becomes a tool to prove you are a responsible borrower. It takes zero extra effort, but it creates a massive signal of reliability to lenders. Start reporting your monthly utilities now, and watch your age of credit account slowly start to trend upward as your history becomes more robust. Step 4, strategic expansion. Once your utilization is low and your errors are gone, it's time to stop the hard pulls. Every time you apply for a new card, your score dips. Instead, consider a secured credit card. With a secured card, you put down a cash deposit that becomes your credit limit. This removes the risk for the bank, making it a guaranteed approval. Use this card for one small, recurring subscription, like Netflix, and set it to autopay. This creates a permanent, positive on-time payment entry on your report every single month for the next 6 months. By the end of this 6-month window, you'll have a clean report, low utilization, and a consistent history of new, positive data that the algorithm can't ignore. To automate these steps, I recommend using tools like Experian Boost or dedicated credit building apps. These tools act as a bridge, pulling your data together and helping you report the bills you're already paying. If you're just starting, looking into a secured card through our partners can help you build that positive history without the risk of high-interest debt. It's all about working smarter, not harder. You can find the specific platforms I use and trust linked in the description below. They are designed for your exact situation, so don't be afraid to take that first step toward a better score today. To recap, dispute your errors, drop your utilization below 10%, report your utility payments, and keep your new accounts active but low balance. Do this consistently for 6 months, and the points will follow. If you found this breakdown helpful, check out my video on how to automate your debt payoff so you never miss a payment again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more actionable money moves. You've got this, now go clean up that report.